Nokia is about to launch another stunning smartphone soon. According to the latest buzz, this smartphone is set to blow your mind, with 24GB of RAM, and a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel DSLR level camera. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia X Max 5G. Nokia claims that its sleek design and powerhouse features will make even the iPhone look pale in comparison. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia X Max 5G. Display. The Nokia X Max 5G boasts a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a stunning 2K resolution. But that's not all. It also comes with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio. Plus, it's packed with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and is protected by IP68 rating, making it dust and water resistant. Camera setup. When it comes to the camera, this Nokia smartphone is ready to leave the iPhone in the dust. The photo quality is said to rival a DSLR. The phone features a quad camera setup, with a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 32-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 12-megapixel wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that's ready to make your Instagram game strong. Processor. Under the hood, the Nokia X Max 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-notch performance. And for the software, it runs on the latest Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. Battery life. Oh, it's a monster. This phone packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, and supports 100-watt fast charging, with a Type-C charging socket. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The base variant with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage is expected to be priced around $600. As for the launch date, Nokia's powerhouse is set to hit the market in just a few months.